Dropbox's Claude connector helps you use trusted Dropbox files as context in Claude, take action on them, and save useful output back to Dropbox so your team can keep moving from the same source of truth. Today, I will show you how you can do that across both Claude and Claude Cowork. Here's how Dropbox works inside Claude for an architecture firm managing project files. I can connect Dropbox and then ask Claude to find the latest materials for a project across design briefs, drawings, renderings, client feedback, and meeting notes. Instead of manually digging through folders, Claude can use Dropbox as the source of truth and summarize the latest project context. From there, I can ask Claude to draft a stakeholder feedback summary or project status update based on those Dropbox files. Then save those drafts back into Dropbox so the team has a record that they can share, review, and keep building on. So the output of the AI workflow doesn't just live in a chat. It becomes useful work grounded in the team's actual Dropbox files. Now here's how Dropbox works inside Claude Cowork for Moonhelm, a marketing agency preparing for a client campaign review. In Claude Cowork, I can bring in Dropbox folder with the campaign brief, creative assets, copy drafts, client feedback, and final deliverables. Claude Cowork can help clean up the workspace by grouping the right files into clear sections, separating drafts from final assets, and making the folder easier for the team to use. Then I can save a client-ready recap back to the campaign folder and create a Dropbox link for the final deliverable folder. So the team has a clean workspace and a simple way to share the right materials with the client. So Claude Cowork helps turn Dropbox content into an organized, shareable workspace without leaving the AI workflow. That's a quick look at how Dropbox's Claude connector helps teams use AI with their Dropbox files, then keep the results organized and ready to share in Dropbox.